Tens of thousands of Tesla Model 3s are being shipped to China. Why? Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and I just read in the financial news this morning, my favorite activity in the morning, that tens of thousands of Tesla Model 3s are actually shipped to China. They're talking about 3 huge boats, size of few football fields, loaded with Tesla Model 3s are going to China. As you know, in my previous videos this week, I talked about the Tesla has now achieved 8,000 Tesla Model 3s produced in a week. Now, that doesn't mean that they're all going to be sold in the United States, delivered in the United States. Many of them are shipped to Europe and now to China. Elon Musk made no secrets about it, that China is a huge market for the Teslas. And China is leaps and bounds ahead of us, the United States, in green technology, in mandates and all that stuff. You know, there they can make decisions on their own. They don't have government shutdowns like we do. Anyway, it's a different topic. So the reason why is the urgency now. We know that he is started to build a big gigafactory in Shanghai for future batteries and Teslas there. But also he is anticipating, he wants to be ahead of the game, he's anticipating a trade deal. If you remember 2 months ago, President of the United States and the President of China has agreed to a 90-day extension negotiation on a new China-United States trade agreement, having to do with tariffs and all that. So thinking ahead, Elon Musk wants to be positioned that if there is a trade deal, or if there isn't, there is inventory in China that he can sell and deliver. Now, he said that right now, because of the tariffs and all that, selling Teslas in China is so expensive. It's very expensive. However, the demand for Teslas in China is ginormous. Now, they do have their own electric cars. They do make their own electric cars. They do import from, the Pacific, from Asia and all that. But for Tesla to get in is just incredible. They are doing it. They are building a factory, but that's going to take at least a year, optimistically, until they can start ramping up any production or anything. So shipping these boatloads, literally boatloads of Teslas to China is trying to get ahead of the game. Guys, do me a favor, if you have any information, I mean, I read so much, but if you have any information, anything you read about this topic, I'd love if you share in the comments. I love having discussions. You guys always bring great value to this awesome channel. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe. I'll keep update you on this topic and many others on my daily video. And now sometimes I put 2 videos, and sometimes I even put 3 videos every day. Just doing your work for you and with you. Thank you guys, help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow.